You know that for a long time, every administration, every government in Nigeria have been trying to to remove the fuel subsidy. We attempted even during our time. And it was actually part of the campaign of every presidential election in the previous election, in the past election. But for Mr. President to have achieved this feat on the first day of his presidency is quite commendable. We have seen a lot happening in the monetary policy sector. We also commend him for what he's doing, and I thought it was very important that some of us will see him and let him know the great things he's doing. A 6-point agenda this time, just 6 points. First point of the agenda is human capital development, including education, which is very important. We need to really develop the capacity of our people. Second point of the agenda is infrastructure, which we really need in Bayelsa State. Third point of the agenda is to develop an economy for Bayelsa. And for Bayelsa, we believe that the economy that can easily be developed is a gas economy, because we are sitting on the highest deposit of gas in Nigeria.